Thank you for visiting us today. Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler is a great value with less than 37,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call for an appointment today.